Try to be gentle. Wow. No, they're nice iguanas. They only eat fruit and flowers, remember? You want to touch his tail? Gentle. Gentle. Good job. Follow the man. Oh, there's another one up here. Go follow the man.
Look, it's more. Like when he's climbing.
Oh my goodness, look at him.
You got sharp claws to climb.
Yeah, not for eating little boys, just for climbing.
Yeah, this is climbing.
Look at them all. Wait for mommy. No, gentle, gentle with the lizard.
Look at him.
Yeah, but gentle. That one looks old.
Old?
Yeah, it looks like an old lizard.
No.
No?